Welcome to the Bold Beauty Cooking Show. Trina Felber. I've been making products for about 16 years now. And one of my favorite things to make is a sugar scrub because it feels so good on your skin. But I like to make it with an oil base because then you can replace your cleanser and only use the sugar scrub. So you're kind of just swapping products for the day. You can even use it twice a week, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. I'm actually making these as holiday gifts as well. So they make great gifts. I have these great little jars that have a bamboo lid, and it actually has a little spoon holder on it. So these are really nice. So everything will be linked in the show notes as to where you can get everything. So I'm just gonna walk you through how you do it. You need, and all of the ingredients are linked in the Bold Beauty Cooking Show. So you don't have to worry about searching for the ingredients. I'm gonna make about 4 batches. So from the regular recipe, we're gonna make 4 batches so that I have enough for gifts. And again, all of the ingredients and everything you need is hyperlinked in the Bold Beauty Cooking Show. So the sugar is just going to be a gentle exfoliation. I always use organic ingredients always, because you don't want the pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, the glyphosate, especially when you're exfoliating, because if you're using something that has chemicals in it and you're exfoliating your skin, those chemicals are going to get into your skin a lot faster. So sugar, and this is a very fine sugar, so I don't have to blend this. However, I also have black lava salt. I love black lava salt. It's mineral rich and it's detoxifying for the skin. But the lava salt is large and chunky, so I just put it in one of these little micro blenders. You can put it in any blender, it'll work. And I'm gonna stick it on the blender. I just wanna get it broken down so it's really fine, so it's not irritating to the skin. All right, that looks like it'll do it. So, there we go. Black lava salt. Looks amazing. If you can bake a cake, you can make this. This is super easy. All right, and then lavender flowers. I love using lavender flowers, so these smell amazing. So you're gonna get a great smell from these. And then chamomile flower, but I use the powder because then it's gonna be detoxifying. It's gonna be calming for the skin. And it's also gonna be a gentle exfoliant as well. So all of this goes just in your bowl. Essential oils. So I'm just going to be counting out the essential oils. I'm using lavender, geranium, and bergamot. So lavender is going to have a calming effect. It's going to have a great scent as well. It's going to accent the lavender flowers that are in here. Geranium is going to balance and nourish the skin. And the bergamot is an uplifting aroma and it rejuvenates the skin. So I'm just going to be counting out the drops. Oils. So when you're exfoliating, the oil is going to stay on your skin. It's going to cleanse because oils actually break down oil and it gets rid of the dirt and the grime from your skin. So this will act as a replacement for your cleanser. And this is great to use in the winter as well because of the fact that it's an oil-based exfoliant. All right, so I'm gonna use a couple different oils. And if you don't have these oils at home, you can always substitute the oils for what you want to use. So I'm using avocado. So let's see, this is a small avocado. An avocado oil is it has a lot of vitamins in it, and it's really nourishing and moisturizing for the skin. And then castor oil is really great as well because it's cleansing. It's deep cleansing, so this is going to be more of like the oil cleansing with castor oil. Castor oil is kind of thick, so it's great especially during the drier months in the winter. And then you can use jojoba oil or you can use hemp seed. I'm going to use some hemp seed oil. And then you simply just blend this up. So you want this to be very grainy. You don't want it to be oily. So you can add a little bit extra oil if you need to, but you don't want it to feel like it's nothing but oil. You just want it to feel moist, if you will. And then when you put it on your skin, the oils will come off the sugar as you're doing your scrub. Just gonna mix this up. And you would just kind of pack it in, blend it in, get it really mixed in with the oils and the lavender, or not the lavender, the black lava salt. And it should feel, so you can take a little bit of a test of a little bit of it, and it should feel and leave your skin kind of damp and more moist, and it does. It smells amazing. All right, I think we're good. It actually looks pretty good. So it looks moist, it looks damp, it doesn't look dry, but it's still powdery. It still falls apart. You can see that it's a little clumpy, but yet it's not sticking together. It actually breaks apart. And then simply for, you know, especially gifts, these make great gifts. Just scoop it in. These come with little labels that you can put the label on of what it is. Put the lid on. You've got your little spoon. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? I love it. And it's as simple as that. You know, take out all the talking that I did. This can take you about 10 minutes to whip up. This is going to be a batch of probably about 15 to 20, depending on the size of your container. These are a 4-ounce jar. This can also be used as a body scrub, which is amazing. And the oils are the same thing. You can use this in the winter in place of soap, because the soap, most of the soap is going to dry your skin out, whereas this will exfoliate and nourish your skin. So thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave some comments. If you try this, I would love to know what your thoughts are. And, as always, make sure you're using organic ingredients. They're hyperlinked in the recipe if you're following this in the Bold Beauty Cooking Show. Thanks a lot and have a great day. And I hope your, family and friends enjoy the gift if you decide to gift it.